welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making okonomiyaki. Now if you don't know what that is, don't worry. All you need to know is that it's a Japanese cabbage pancake. Okonomiyaki, that's just way too many syllables to remember. So what you're going to need is you're going to need about a quarter size of a medium cabbage. You're going to need 2 eggs, some bonito flakes, some dashi powder. You're going to need some mayo and green onions. And you're also going to need about a half a cup of all-purpose flour. Now, if you don't have bonito flakes or dashi powder, you can skip the bonito flakes and you can actually substitute like some chicken cubes or shrimp cubes for the dashi powder, because it's essentially just fish stock powder, okay? So if I didn't mention already, I think I didn't mention, but you're gonna need a little bit of mayo. You can use Hellmann's, but I like Kewpie mayo. And I think that's it. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up my cabbage. So I'm gonna need maybe about 1/4 of this, and this is for a 2-person serving. So if you're serving about 4 people, then you'll need half a cabbage. Okay. And we're also gonna need about 1 onion. Put this aside and work on my pancake batter. So in goes the eggs. Warm water. Okay. And you're gonna pour in your dashi powder. I'm just using half a pack here, okay? So for 2 2-person serving, then I only use half a pack. Pour that right in. Flour. Earlier I forgot to mention you're going to need a little bit of baking powder, so I'm just putting in about like half a teaspoon. Add a little bit of pepper. I'm just adding in a little bit of white pepper just for a little bit of that kick. Okay, so now just set your heat to about a medium high, and as soon as that heats up, we will start frying this. And you'll need a little bit of oil, so I'm just gonna drizzle a bit of oil over here. Today we're just keeping it simple, but typically you can add whatever toppings you like to your okonomiyaki. So if you like it with bacon or shrimp, go ahead and put that in as well. But today I'm just doing a simple version. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna maybe about that much in my pan. And I would recommend keeping the size a little bit small because it can be tricky to flip later if you are trying to flip it the other side. So I would just keep it simple, make it small, and then it's easier to flip. Okay, so Julia Child always says that every time you flip something, you gotta do it with courage and conviction. So let's see if I have the courage, but do I have the conviction? Okay, let's see. Ready? Oh! Success! Okay, I did it the first time. The question is, can I do it again? With courage and conviction. Score! Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.